3 years ago, I picked up a journal not knowing how much it would change my life drastically in many aspects of it. And today is the day where you all will start your journaling journey and will go on the path of self realization and things you would learn which you have never thought of. And I, Vivek's perspective, will change your perspective today and you will go on the journey of journaling. When I started my journaling journey, I just pour my thoughts into the papers. Whatever I thought of, whatever I think of, I just dump down on those papers. So some people will ask, "Hey Vivek, how can I start my journaling journey?" So to start your journaling journey, you just need to start. You don't need any fancy book or pen or any journaling, extreme journaling tips. That is where my first lesson comes. Consistency. Journaling isn't about writing every day, it's about showing up when you need it most. And if you don't know what to write, just ask these 3 questions to yourself before bed. How's your day went? What things made you happy today? And what are things you want to improve and change by today's experience? By this, you will dump all of your thoughts of the day to have a great tomorrow. By third question, you will daily improve. And that's where the second lesson I learned. Because a journal is your safe space where you dump all of your thoughts and know yourself better, and if you lie to it, it will most probably doesn't help you. So to have a clean distinguishable journal, you just have to make 2 to 3 sections in your journal. First section, it will be your life dump or brain dump, where you pour all of your thoughts of the day and whatever you things come to your mind and things you want to know or whatever things. And in second section, you will become the philosopher, because you will pour all of your thoughts and whatever knowledge you can grasp from the world, that would be written in there. And make a third section. This section is optional, where you have your creative freedom. Whatever you want to make this section, you can made up of. I have made up of this section of quotes because I like to write quotes and I make it. So I write my quotes or whatever life lessons are learned in the form of quotes. So that's where I learned my third life lesson. Because you need to be curious to know the world, and you need to question your things, question your thoughts, question your beliefs, and learn more about it and improvise on them. How would you reflect it on your life? How would it will help you in future? What things you can accomplish from it, and many other stuff. So make the process more enjoyable, because whatever you start in life as fun or in easy way, you would be most sustainable in that thing. Start journaling as a fun. Write when you like and let your thoughts flow from pen to the paper and learn from those things. And whenever you will look back on yourself from future, you will be most grateful for this thing. So start journaling. Challenge yourself.